I got a 12-year-old that's at his mom's tonight, and I have to open a pack of Pokemon cards in his honor right now. Here we go. Let's roll. He's pumped. Go pick up Jesse.
See what you get, Jeb.
I think you wanted to do this just to hear me say these names, to be honest. I think that's what you guys are doing with the Pokemon cards. Here we go. That's all you got, Jesse. You got a little Pokemon Live card. Let's see what we got. Shroomish, Lickitung. Every time we do one of these, Lickitung is in it. Slugma. Slugma. It's Ligma's brother. Sorry. Solosis, Mudsail, code breaking dude, whoever that is. This is a trainer. Okay. Salisbuck. That's another code breaking card. Metang.